Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and lose weight by healing their gut and nourishing their body with superfood. On this channel, you will get simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is you won't feel overwhelmed or deprived. In this video, I am going to show you how I make my favorite anti-inflammatory smoothie. Not only that, but if you click on the link in the description below, you will get a template that will help you create your own anti-inflammatory smoothie recipes. Before we get started with my smoothie, let's talk about the anti-inflammatory ingredients you can use. A smoothie is anti-inflammatory by nature because it contains powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in the form of fruits and vegetables. However, some ingredients have more potent anti-inflammatory properties, and you can include them in your smoothie recipes. First, turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years as a medicinal herb. Curcumin is the main compound that gives it its anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains only 3% curcumin, and it is not easily absorbed. Consume it with black pepper to increase its absorption by 2000%. Next, pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. There's also ginger. The anti-inflammatory effects of ginger are well known. There are so many studies that talk about how ginger can help with chronic conditions and pain. There's also beets. Beets contain plant pigments called betalains, which not only reduce inflammation but protect against cancer and heart disease. Carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are believed to fight inflammation. Berries. Berries contain antioxidant compounds that reduce inflammation. And green leafy vegetables. Dark veggies such as spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and broccoli contain plenty of vitamin E, which protects against the pro-inflammatory molecule called cytokines. And let's not forget our healthy fats. Healthy fats such as nuts, seeds, and avocado contain omega-3s. We still don't quite understand how this works, but omega-3s dampen your inflammatory response. Green smoothies have become very popular. Drinking your greens is an effective way to increase your consumption of veggies. However, I have been finding that using an organic greens powder is more affordable, easier, and tastes better. I still eat lots of veggies in the form of salads and main meals, but for breakfast, I use my green superfoods. Our cells have become depleted, and it's hard to get enough nutrients into our bodies. Using a green superfood powder can help fill that gap. As for me, including this powder in my daily diet has done miracles. Obviously, if you prefer using green leafy vegetables in your smoothie, you're welcome to do so. You just have to do the substitution in the recipe that I will share with you. If you do decide to use a greens powder, there are a few things you need to keep in mind to pick the right powder for you. So consider the following points. The processing. The way a company processes the ingredients will impact how much nutrition is left in the powder. For example, the temperature at which the greens are dehydrated is important to consider. The quality of the ingredients. Ingredients that are certified organic and fresh from the soil are preferable. Bioavailability. For example, chlorella is often found in greens powders. Unless the product specifies cracked cell wall chlorella, your body will not be able to absorb much of its nutrients. Gluten-free. You should avoid gluten as much as possible, and as most of people would do better on a gluten-free diet. Also look into what sweeteners are used and if there are any synthetic ingredients. Many products use fillers and sweeteners that you need to avoid. At the very least, make sure the only sweetener is stevia or fruit or vegetable powders. Now that we have all that out of the way, let's make my favorite anti-inflammatory smoothie. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of coconut kefir, a cup and a half of water, 5 tablespoons of green powder, 1 apple, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 medium carrot, 1 thumb of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of fresh turmeric, and 1 pinch of black pepper. I love using this coconut kefir in my smoothies. It makes them creamy and gives them added probiotic. I did not have any pineapple, but I decided to use some frozen mango. It goes to show you that smoothie recipes are not meant to be a barrier. They're meant to be a starting point, an inspiration, and you can always substitute ingredients. Now let's add some water. Also, I have carrots and beets because I had some leftover beet from another recipe I did. I'm gonna put my ginger, my apples. I did run out of fresh turmeric, so I'm going to be using dried turmeric, some pepper, my green powder, I hope you enjoyed this anti-inflammatory smoothie recipe, and if you try it, let me know if you enjoy it. If you're making any substitution, share your substitutions with me. Thanks for watching and cheers!